Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of plant-based beverages with the 6-in-1 automatic nut milk maker, your ultimate kitchen companion for crafting delicious and healthy drinks right at home. This versatile appliance offers 6 incredible functions, allowing you to make nut milk, oat milk, soy milk, fresh juice, boil water, and even self-clean, all with the touch of an intuitive touchscreen interface. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned cook, you'll find it effortless to use, thanks to its user-friendly design. Imagine enjoying warm, freshly made milk whenever you want, with the 2-hour keep warm function that's perfect for leisurely breakfasts or hosting brunches. Plus, with KIDISLE's lifetime service and satisfaction promise, you can try it risk-free, knowing you're backed by a professional after-sales service team. Your purchase comes with comprehensive accessories, including a measuring cup, cleaning brush, fine mesh strainer, nut milk bag, power cable, and warranty card, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. So, why not elevate your kitchen game and explore the endless possibilities with this all-in-one nut milk maker? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.